In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your logo in Odoo website. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can quickly brand your site with your own logo. Make sure you're logged into your Odoo instance with access to the website module before we begin. First, start on your Odoo home dashboard, where you see all the main apps and modules. This is usually the first screen you land on after logging in. From here, we want to get into the configuration area for websites, because that's where Odoo stores the settings for things like your logo and general branding. Look towards the top menu and click on Configuration. This menu is where Odoo gathers most of the setup and customization options. If you don't see it right away, check that you're in the website app, not another module like sales or inventory. Once you're in the configuration section, find and click on Websites. This will open a list of all the websites that are currently configured in your Odoo environment. If you only have one website, you'll just see a single entry here. If you manage multiple sites, you'll see each one listed separately. Next, click on the specific website where you want to add or change the logo. This opens the detailed settings page for that site. Take a moment to confirm you're editing the correct website, especially if you handle several brands or domains. On the website settings page, you'll see various options for things like the website name, domain, and design. Look for the logo section, usually next to a small pencil or edit icon. That pencil icon is what you'll use to upload or change the logo. Click on the pencil to open the file selector. Now choose the logo file from your computer. For best results, use a clear, high-quality image in PNG or SVG format with a transparent background so it looks good on different page colors. Try to keep the image size reasonable so it loads quickly. Once you've selected the file, Odoo will show you a preview, so check that it looks sharp and properly aligned. When you're happy with how the logo looks, don't forget to save your changes. Click on Save, typically at the top or bottom of the page. This step is crucial. If you navigate away without saving, your new logo won't be applied. And that's it. Your Odoo website should now display your new logo across the site. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out more tutorials to continue customizing your website.